Can you guess which birds of prey are making this sound? If you guessed Ron, our great horned owl, you are correct. These are our beloved birds of prey. Our birds have been used to touch the lives of many people from all walks of life. They have also been used for programming not just at our park, but all throughout the surrounding schools within the counties of Polk, McMinn, and Bradley. They have educated thousands of students. It costs just over $2,500 per year just to feed them, not including their upkeep and other costs. We have created an opportunity for you to partner with us in the care of them through making a donation today. The link to donate is provided below. Thank you for your time and consideration.